So I have this plugin today I'll be working on, and the file is for free for those that would like to get the file, a copy of this work. Just in the comment section, just indicate that you need a copy. Then I will send a copy to you. It's free. You're not paying for it. So I have many resources. So just stay up to date. I'll be posting many resources, videos. So after the video, if you're interested in the files, then I'll share it to you. So I won't say that. Let's get started. So now we can change our color, the color of our mockup. So we can change the color of our mockup. So let's make it something like ash. Okay, then make the hand a green like color. Okay, so this is where you change the color for the hand here, and this is where you change the color of the sleeve. As you can see, the sleeve color is here, then the band of the sleeve color is this green. So let's move down. So we come here, we double click. Yeah, this is how we now make our design. So I will take out this. Okay, then what I will do is I will cover, I will draw a rectangle over it so I can cover it. So just to create something. So we have green. Let's use this green. Oh, no, this one is better. So let me write something. Let's see. Let's see. Design. Let me see. Design.